So hey, hello guys, welcome back. This is Viren Kumar. So today in this video session, I am going to show how we can launch the Windows remote machine in the AWS EC2 instance. So I logged into the AWS console with the free tier account and I am here under the instances. Now to create the instance for this machine, so I am going to click on these instances, and under the instances you can see the launch instances is there. So you click on this one, and after that you need to provide your Windows machine name or instance name. So I'm just saying like demo Windows, and scroll down, and under that you need to select the operating system OS, that is Amazon operating system image, and here you need to select the Windows. So Amazon Linux and the Windows machine is there, so you can select this one. Now this is the Microsoft Windows Server 2022 base, and this is eligible for the free tier eligibility account. Okay, if you scroll down, if you click on this drop down, then you will see the other machines also there. So Windows Server, okay, and there are multiple Windows operating systems are there, but you need to select only the free tier eligible. So we are going to select the free tier, and under that you can verify the information. So it's a 64-bit or x86-bit. So I'm going to select the first option. This is the by default options, and this is the Microsoft Windows Server 2022 full local English AMI provided by the Amazon. Okay, this is the information. Now the instance type. So we are selecting the t2.micro instance type. This is the free tier eligible, and after that we need to create the key pair, okay, to log into this machine. So for that I will create a new key pair. So you just click on that, and here you can type the key for Windows. Okay, this is the key name which we are going to generate, and here you can select the private key file format. So .pem you need to select, and then create the key pair. Now this key pair you can store at a particular location. So this is the folder where I am keeping all my keys for the AWS. So I am keeping these keys at these locations. Now again go back to the browser. Now here it's automatically selected the key for Windows. Now you need to select the network setting. So on this network, it's allow the RDP traffic from these locations. And now the configuration storage. So we are taking the configuration storage with the 30 GB, that is enough for us, and this is the free tier customer can get up to 30 GB. If this is the free tier account, then it is providing only the 30 GB of the EBS SSD storage. Okay, now you can verify the summary, and now you can launch the instance. Okay, now instance is created successfully. Now click on this instance ID. Okay, now you can see this is the instance which we have created. It's still in the pending state, so we will wait for 2 to 3 seconds to start in the running state. And these informations you can verify the key name, key for Windows, the same key we need to provide to access this Windows machine. Now you can see the instance state in the running state. So once your instance state in the running state, then we can connect this Windows machine. So now how we can connect with this Windows machines, I am going to show. So first you need to select this Windows machine name by checking this checkbox, and then you can see the connect button is there. So you click on this connect button, and after that it is saying connect to the instance. So now here we are going to select the RDP client. So you select the RDP client and then scroll down. Now here it is saying the get password is there. So we need the password to connect with this Windows machines. So the password we will get after uploading the private key, which we have downloaded earlier. So I'm going to upload the same private key, and the key pair name is a key for Windows. So that same key pair we are going to upload. So I'm just going to switch to the EC2, and here you can see the key for Windows .pem is there. I'm going to open this one. Now you can see this is the RSA private key. Now decrypt the password. You simply click on the decrypt the password. Now here you can see this is your password. Okay, so you need to copy this password. Okay, so now the password is created here. This is the password we have generated, and this is the username which we are going to use. So this is the username, this is the password based authentications. So I'm going to use this username and the password. So now let's click on the RDP on your local system. So this is the remote desktop connection. Okay, and here you can provide the IP address. So you need to provide this IP address. So you can go to this instance details. Under the instance details, you can copy this IP version 4 address, and you can provide the IP version 4 address. Now click on the show more options, and under there you need to provide the username. So this will be your username because it is asking the username. So you can provide the username initially when you are going to connect, then say connect, and after that it is asking the administrator username and the password. Okay, so this password you need to provide. Okay, so I'm going to copy this password and paste it here and click on OK. Now it's going to connect. So you select don't ask me these connections to the computer again, view certificates, and you just say yes.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together, it's so beautiful.